So tuwang-tuwa ako kasi story time muna tayo. So as you all know, our first video na that went viral is regarding our topic hair fiber powder. So yun yung pinakauna na nag viral sa atin. It's around 100,000 views and counting. So ngayon natin nasa 370,000 na yung views nun. And doon na yung naging bestseller natin o yun na yung everyday hindi na nawawalan ng sales for that one. Kahit maliit, kahit barya, never siyang nawalan since nung naging viral siya. Siguro mga 10,000 plus na views, halos everyday meron na. Minsan, before, may mga palima-limang piso, ganun. Pero hindi siya na zero. Never na zero. Up to now. So ngayon, mas madami pa yung bumibili. To cut this short, may mga brands na nagtatop sa atin, mostly the same or hair care or hair products. They are asking us ng parang video or collaboration, and once, dalawa na yung nagtanong sa atin nun, no? Once, nagsabi is kung pwede ba daw masend yung current hair ko. So ngayon, sabi ni wife na baka hoax or baka gagamitin lang yung video ko sa mga ads. So ngayon, ginawan ko, nilagyan ko ng malaking watermark, reviews by Ronan or Ronan lang, yung video natin na yun, na para makita nila yung current hair. Kasi nga, di ko sure kasi, so I just gave them the benefit of the doubt, but this time, I put watermark para hindi nila magamit sa marketing or sa paid ads sila, or for sure sa this is for advertisement. So yun, pag send ko nun, tama nga si wife. So hindi na ako binalikan ng brand na yun. They told us na parang $100 per video yung babayad daw nila sa akin. So yun nga, using yung sa hair natin, yung sa buhok natin. So yun, buti nilagyan natin ng watermark. If not, baka naloko or nagamit na tayo sa mga advertisement nila na hindi natin nalalaman. Kasi merong mga international, hindi naman makakadating sa atin yun unless makita natin. So yun, fast forward, yung second brand naman, halos ganun din, nag-top. Pero this time, parang free sample. Walang payment. So, we are trying to find or we are trying to wait for the right brand na magtitiwala sa atin. Na i-appreciate nila yung value natin, yung binibigay nating content. Kasi hindi naman lahat, to be honest, hindi naman lahat na lalaki na pa-Nord Club is confident enough to show their faces na ganito yung current hair ko, ito yung ginagamit ko. Hindi na lahat. Kaya nga naisipan ko mag-video kasi yun yung problema ko before, no? So maharap ako sa mga kliyente na ganun yung ulo ko. Tumitingin sila sa ulo ko, imbes na sa mata. So medyo awkward or medyo lumababa yung confidence ko kasi nga see through it na yung ulo ko. So acceptance is the key daw. Yes, pero kasi right now we are just building our brand, our company. So hindi pa acceptance is the key, and to be honest, nasa line of 20s pa lang ako. So kailangan ko ng, imbes na isipin ko yan, at least ito, iba yung aura ko, iba yung confidence ko kapag naka topic fiber powder ko. So yun. And then last 2 weeks, nabanggit ko nga, there's a brand, international brand, who top us through message and email na telling na they are looking for content creators, UGC, the same as our content, or yung sa nakita, sinend nila yung viral na video natin with topic, yan, ganyan. So, mostly the same yung product nila. It's about hair care, and they are willing to pay upfront. So, ngayon, nag-message ako sa kanila, nag-message kami through message lang, hindi pa email, no? They are asking, we are asking na, yes, we replied na, yes, we are happy to do collaboration with them, and we asked them if magkano yung rate. Sabi ko kay wife before na basta may magtiwala na brand, gagalingan talaga natin mag-video or gumawa ng content for that one. Kasi yun yung first paid collaboration eh. And ito na yun, hawak ko na yung first paid. Yung second paid is papunta pa lang. That is from international din, USA to be exact. So that is from US din. Ito rin from US. So yun nga, nakakatuwa lang kasi nilagay nila na they are willing to pay upfront. This happened around midnight eh. So mga 12 na nun. So ayoko na nga sabihin sana muna kay wife unless na receive ko na yung pera. Pero kasi ah binanggit ko na rin sa kanya na merong brand na gusto makipag-collab, na willing sila mag-upfront. Sabi niya, oh, baka yan na, ganyan na naman. So yun, fast forward around 1 a.m., hiningi yung bank details, yung details ng shipping para mapadala nila yung product, which is ito na nga. It's around 7 days bago, 5 to 7 days bago dumating. Nag-send sila. They are asking for our PayPal or local bank. So sabi ko, do you pay sa ganitong bank, sa Red Bank? Sinend ko yung bank account. So sinend, sabi niya, yes, we can pay you directly. So yun. Nagulat ako kasi nga, pumasok siya around 1 a.m. So tuwang-tuwa ako kasi they are willing to pay us for around $100 to $150. So they want a long-term partnership. Once na mag-blow up daw yung video, they are willing to give us 10% commission for the sales ng video namin. And they gave us a range of $100 to $150 depending on the performance of that video, or yun na yung pinaka-range ng video sila. And they are willing to order minimum of 3 and maximum of 7 videos a week. Imagine, if we do this right, paldo talaga. Kaya, here we are, i-unbox natin, and we will do our best. Kahit di pa ako ganun maalam mag-editing, scripting, or what. Marunong tayo, pero hindi ko pa na ma-master, feeling ko hindi ko pa na ma-master yun. So, we're just in the process. Kasi nga, months pa lang naman tayo nag-affiliate. So, I just wanna thank this brand. So, hindi ko pa siya pwedeng banggitin right now. Pero yun nga, pumasok sa account natin is around 25,000 for just 3 videos. Hindi ko ma-contain kasi nga, first time, totoo pala talaga. So, there are brands na they are willing to pay you kasi nakikita nila na valuable ka for their brand, or you are the right person for their brand. So, dahil tiwala sila, we will do our best to give them quality videos, quality contents. And you know what? Those 3 videos na re-require nila is around 40 seconds to 1 minute long lang. So imagine, ganito pala maging isang content creator or maging UGC. So talagang, alam mo yan, 1 minute video, $400. Saan mo kukunin yan, di ba? So, hindi na masama. Kaya talagang tiwala lang, patience is the key, and consistency. So, hindi ko rin alam na bakit ako yung napili nila, or bakit isa ako sa napili nila. Pero, yun nga, kapalan lang ng mukha eh, no? So, akalain mo yung pagiging panorchi ko, pagkakakitaan ko pala. So, totoo talaga yon. So, if medyo na hihinaan ka na ng loob, kasi nga feeling mo hindi ka kumikita with this line, pero meron. Nasabihin ko meron kasi nangyari na sa amin. So na paid collab na kami upfront, binayaran muna kami before the video. So talagang meron. You just have to be patient, and with that sasabayan mo ng consistency. Kasi paano kanila makikita kung hindi ka consistent? So right now we are posting 3 videos a day no matter what. So lagi kami ahead of time. For example, bukas, may 3 video na naka-ready na kami. And then bukas, gagawin ko naman yung for the next day. So, ganun. So, for now, mag-unbox muna ako. That's all.